right, welcome back to the Ukulele Club channel. I'm Kalani, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a look and listen to a Mele ukulele tenor, and this one seems to be solid Koa. It might be acacia. I'm pretty sure it's Koa. Acacia is a type of Koa, but since this was made in Maui, Hawaii, it's probably just pure Koa. So we'll take a look at it in a little bit. Right now I want to give you just the sound. So I'm going to switch mics and go to this mic over here on my left, and that should give you a great idea of the sound. So I'm going to do that right now. I'll play it in a few different ways, and then we'll come back and talk about it. All right, let's give you a look from the top, and you can see it's got a butterflied face and back, although in the face is beautiful with the grain patterns, and it's really kind of neat the way the saddle is just sitting there on this, looks like a river or something, or a tree. You can see it's got probably ebony face on the neck, fretboard. It's got what look like mother of pearl fret markers. The tuning is mechanical, and it's fairly simple, although you see there's some inlay in the back here and also on the sides. The wood is particularly kind of iridescent. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you can see there's a little bit of curliness to the wood grain, like right in here on the face. It gives it a nice depth, and I know it's hard to see on the video. I'm doing my best, but yeah, you can see the kind of ripples. There we go. So that's quite beautiful. This ukulele was my mother's. I unfortunately just inherited it, not the way I would have liked to have an ukulele, but it is a family heirloom at this point. I also have my grandmother's Martin ukulele, which I have made a video about, but I'll do another one so you guys can hear that. Once I get that kind of fixed up, I'm replacing the tuners on that as well, because it's just impossible to tune with the peg tuners. So I'm doing a retro on that one. But this one is just as is. It is Mele, again, M-E-L-E. They're based in Maui, Hawaii. Beautiful ukulele. Again, Hawaiian brand. And if you haven't seen it, I have a video on my Kamaka tenor, another famous, Hawaiian family business, making ukuleles and guitars for many, many years. So I don't know about pricing. If you have a Mele and you have price information you want to share, you can do that in the comments. If you have questions, you can ask, and maybe some of you who are more knowledgeable can respond to those, but I'm sure at the very least you can just look up Mele ukuleles and find out more about them. Obviously, this is a beautiful sounding instrument. I always recommend that people get the best instrument that they can afford. If you bought an ukulele like this, you don't need to buy another one. So I'll give you a little bit more sound sample with the good mic. But I want to thank you guys for dropping by. I am competing now with a leaf blower across the street. Hopefully it's not distracting. All right, I'm going to switch mics. I'll be right back. All right, that concludes this video. I'm Kalani. This is the Ukulele Club channel for people like you who appreciate ukuleles. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notifications, and enjoy playing whichever ukulele you can get your hands on. I'll see you in another video.